Hi SMG, I'm very good, thank you. Hey, what's up, hippopotamus? Hello guys. Hello Pikachu. What's up? Okay, last time I had some problems with Mario. Just by opening the file, everything was blacked out. Some very weird stuff going on. Very dark scene and everything was wrong. So I find out that the Unreal developers changed some of the tone mapper, I think, and that was one of the problems. But the other problem was that darkness came from the shadows, and I just tweaked those settings, and now it's working very well. So I'm ready to start porting. This is my old Mario, by the way. These eyes, don't worry, these are the bad eyes. So I'm gonna start importing everything. So I'm gonna create a new folder to start with my Mario. Okay, I'm gonna call this folder Mario. Inside this folder I want to have better organization than before. Previously I had some sort of weird stuff. Well, it's similar, but I'm gonna start creating the blueprints folder. Here inside the blueprints, I'm gonna start. Okay, I'm gonna create a character folder. Here is gonna be everything related to the meshes. And yeah, and maybe another one for materials. Um, and obviously animations. So let's start by importing our character. Okay, here we have the exported meshes from Blender. Just gonna get... Oh, sorry guys, forget the music. You know, the usual music. So let's start with the high quality model, the main Mario. Hey, what's up, Slickside? And Pikachu. Yes, I think the new Mario Odyssey is gonna be very nice. I will really love to play it. I don't know if that will happen someday, maybe. But take a look at this Mario. I think we can do a good job. We're not gonna compare it, but I feel they look similar. Well, Nintendo one is better, obviously, but for a fan, I think this is looking very good. Okay, I'm gonna let it compile again. Hopefully this time doesn't crash. Yeah, Pikachu. I thought the same. I was like, oh my god, that looks like my Mario version. I don't know what happened. Maybe they took a look at my Mario, maybe? Who knows? Maybe they hurt people because a lot of people liked my Mario, so who knows? Okay, there we have something here. Thank you so much for the subscribe. What if you added the polygon count to the Super Smash Bros. Melee trophy and rigged that model to animate? It's more in line to how the character renders look at 1996. Not that this one is bad. Thank you, man. Yeah, as I said before, this is just a placeholder model. I don't even consider this Mario as my final Mario. I just did some... Okay, I'm gonna show you. This is my new Mario. I just imported here. As you can see here, this has higher poly count than this one. This is the old one. Take a look at the nose, for example. You can see the edges around the nose. But take a look at this one. It's smooth. So we don't have the same problems. This model is gonna be looking better than this. I'm gonna just bring the textures so you can see it, but basically it's the same thing, but improved in the topology. I did some fixes to the topology, and the eyes are different now. As you can see, the silhouettes of the eyes are rounder, are better basically, and everything basically is better. And what else? Okay, I'm gonna bring my materials. So the cap's gonna be here, the base is here, and the skin is gonna be here. And that's all I needed. Now there is another material that I think is in the character. This is the one. Alpha Wario is following. Thank you so much for the follow, man. Okay. So now I need to import my ice shader. I did some modifications, so I'm just gonna copy and paste. Let me see how that goes. How long did it take you to become a great at Unreal Engine? I don't consider myself great at this engine because really this is too much stuff to learn. I still in the very first steps, if you can say that, but no, it doesn't took me for what I've been doing here. Basically the first demo I released, well, in the video obviously, took me around 1.5 months to do, from learning everything. Okay, I never touched Unreal before that, so it took me like 1.5 months, I guess. So it's not that hard. You can prototype stuff very quickly. It's just a matter of having a little bit of experience with 3D. I had some experience, so that helped me, I guess. But yeah, that's it. Now let's see what happens later, because new what. Okay, I need to change this because I think that was thank you by the way. So okay, eyes. I need to import the eye shader. This is the other tests file. This is the eyes, basically, the new eyes, which has some properties like refraction, just like the real eyes behave in the real world. So this shader I'm gonna copy. Where is it? Was in materials. Okay, this is the one. But what I'm gonna do here is, I think I just added one thing it's a multiply. It's just to get color. Irish colors, Clara color. Yeah. So I think I have this here. What? How is that possible? Okay, so it's not that one. There is another one which is a tint. Where is it? Oh, okay, I know why it isn't here. It's inside character, blueprints. No. Where is it? Okay, it's gonna be no. Okay, here it is. Items. So it's a parameter 3D vector, I think, and it's gonna be multiplied by the iris color. Let's do that. Copy. Param vector parameter iris tint, I think. I tint. Multiply this by this. It's gonna be here. Okay, let's save this. Maybe I will add a 32-bit version. I don't know yet. I'm still here, guys. I've been busy the last year, so working, freelancing. Now I'm studying. I'm studying my career, which is software development, and I'm in the second semester, doing very good there. I want to become a really good programmer, so I want to learn a lot. And yeah, but now I'm back because as I'm studying now, I have some free time by the afternoons. So I want this year to be all about Mario, this remake. Hopefully more people join the team. There are read description if you are interested. So okay, this is ready. I'm going to create a material instance, and this material instance is where we set the parameters. So I'm gonna just copy those here. Okay, I have the iTint here. Let me read the values. 0.41. Hmm. 0.41. Now I'm gonna override the iris texture with the other one, which is green. These eyes are not the real ones, so I'm gonna bring my character. This is a good one. And by the way, it's time to replace the eyes with the instance. As you can see here, it's blue. Still need to tweak some settings. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, let's take a look. Iris concavity 0.416. Iris brightness 7.4. Pupil scale 0.8. 0.8. Sclera brightness 3.25. And voila! Let me check if there is another setting here. That's it. I think I will not need the... Okay, I will need this for the LOD settings. So let's do that. Now I'm gonna bring my LODs meshes. So I'm gonna save this. Here is the LODs. I'm gonna import Mario as standard definition, which is gonna be the main. Imported successfully. Thank you. Now I'm gonna take a look at that setting. This is LOD 1. And here the screen size. Okay, I need to... I think this is one. With the LODs.
Thank you so much for playing my game.
Mario.
Okay, this is the one. As you can see here, this is the smooth version. As I go back, you can see the switch between standard definition, which is this one, and high definition. So the mesh is, poly count is lower here, but if I pull the camera away even further, you can see that now it's even lower quality.
It's me, Mario.
You can see the edges here, for example. So this is to save performance. Now I need to check the settings because I did this in the test file. Now I'm doing it in the clean file. That's why I'm doing this. So my LOD0 it's 1.06. There it is. So let's try. There you go. It's changing. I don't know if you can see it here, but there it is. There is the switch. You can see here the triangle's poly count. It's going from 18,000 to 4,000 triangles. Now let's add the new level of detail. Import level detail 2. It's gonna be tests. Sorry. Low. Main low. Successfully. LOD sections 2. Oh, this is info. Okay, I'm lost. This is the... Okay, this is the one. 0.5. So... Last time it was a bug. I'm gonna try putting values by hand. Hopefully this time it works. Okay, it did work. Now from 4,000 is going to 1,000, which is pretty cool. LODs are set. Let me see in the viewport here. Okay, there is my first level of detail. This is the second one. This is gonna happen when, I think, when Mario is falling or when he gets away from the camera. Usually you'll see it in the level 1. And when you do a close-up to the character is when you'll see it in full detail. Okay, now gonna import the hair and the cap. I'm gonna save this. Okay, to do that I will need to create my first blueprint. This is gonna be my... The previous one was called Mario character. Now I'm gonna call this Mario BP. So I need a blueprint class of character. And I'm gonna call this Mario BP. Now I'm gonna choose my mesh. Skeletal mesh is Mario main. You know something? I think I'm going to recycle my previous Mario model. Yes, but I'm gonna do that. So let's read something while it's deleting. And no plans to release the model yet, unfortunately, sorry. Sure, Simon. If you read the description in my stream, there is a link where you can submit your reels, work samples, and so we can add you to the team if in case you're interested. So that's it. With his eye shader, I don't really understand what he's trying to do, and the shader is too complex to just understand it through this live stream. Don't worry, I don't even understand that shader. That shader was done by Unreal developers, so I just took that shader and just tweaked the settings to make the oval shape of Mario eyes and adding a little bit of tint to the color, iris color. That's all I did there. So really I didn't want to mess with that shader too much. Is Harold the Board still in this project? Yes, he's still in here. I saw his browser in the Fire C demo. Yeah, it's cool. Can you add Odyssey vibes? Okay. I'm not 100% sure what kind of art style you're going for, but I feel like the eyes are too realistic for the model. Yeah, but we're not gonna take a look so much to this level of detail, right? You're never gonna see this. You're always gonna see this. So, for me, to this distance, doesn't look really so realistic. It's just a cartoony eye to me. But the cool thing is that it still behaves like an eye for highlights, reflections, and all that stuff. It has even refraction, so doesn't hurt really to me. Even I'm doing the same basically for the overalls, the buttons here in the overalls. Everything is texture realistic. The important thing is that we don't lose the essence of the character. So the stylized shapes is the most important thing. Sorry guys, I cannot. If I just need to concentrate. But yes, I'm gonna try to read as much as I can. Thank you, Leo. So I think that's it. I was deleting my blueprint. Okay, I'm gonna close this file because it's distracting me. Now I'm going to character. Where is it? I see the blueprints here. Mario Kart. This is the best thing I can do for now. Now I'm gonna replace. There are two things I need to do here. First is set a new anim class. I'm gonna create a new animation blueprint. But for now I'm gonna change my skeletal old Mario. From the old Mario I'm gonna choose my new Mario, which doesn't have the hair for now. But the cool thing here is that we can add another skeletal mesh. This skeletal mesh is gonna be for them. Let's see the cap. Okay, I know I don't want to do that. Well, forget. So now I'm gonna choose. Okay, to do that, I almost forgot about it. I need to import not just the Mario, but I'm gonna import all the other meshes here. Save. Now I'm gonna bring the high quality Mario cap. This time I'm gonna choose my skeleton, which is Mario main. Import. Okay, imported. Fine. Just okay, I'm gonna need. Now I can change cap mesh and let's add that here. Mario cap. And there it is. Okay, I'm gonna do this and replace that shader with the cap shader. Okay, now thank you for the host. think this for this one is base. Okay. Now I'm gonna add another skeletal mesh. It's gonna be the hair mesh. Here's where I'm choosing my hair. What? That's something weird. Okay, because this is in transformations, but this didn't. Okay, let's copy those transformations. Okay. This mesh is gonna be hidden by default, so I'm gonna set visibility to off. Well, I'm gonna do that later. First I want to set the level detail for this. Okay, it works for the Mario body, but doesn't work for the cap or the hair. So that's why I need to set those level of details. So let's do for the hair. SD, this is hair. Success. And the setting for the first one is 1.06. fine. High detail, mid, okay, this works. Now for the cap. Okay, it worked. Here's full detail Mario. Switch to level 1. There is something interesting happening. I might tweak this later. To be the same number apparently. So I'm gonna do that. So is the stream lagging apparently? Too bad. Sorry guys. Okay, let's give it a play. You see how it's responding. Okay, there is one thing. We cannot test this yet. Just yet. Okay. Okay, I will need create a new animation blueprint, and in instance Mario main. This is MVP. That's weird. That's really weird. Why isn't showing the character? State machine. Let's add the state. Okay, there is one problem. Very weird. Gonna be looping. Okay. Okay. What I'm. This is weird. Why is it not showing the mesh? As I don't understand that. Okay, I'm gonna delete this again. Oh no. I don't get it. That's so weird. Okay, Nintendo, I understand, I understand. Okay, that's funny. Okay, this is better. Apparently the last mesh was what it was taken in consideration. That's why I re-imported the first mesh. Now we have it here. Again, state machines. Sad state. Idle. side idle. Let's bring idle animation, save, compile. And back to our reference character. Hey, Wink Up Man. What's up? Prelude D1, I think I'm going to go something else like let's try 2. Okay, it's a lower value. 0.6. And for this 0.4. Okay, let's see if that works. I still need to decrease this one. 0.2 maybe. Okay, these settings are better now. It feels less the transition between 0 and 1. Now I will need, for now this is how far the camera can go, but later when I start playing with more camera controls we can see the lowest quality setting. For now this is fine. I'm gonna go with this. Now that I have my animation, I can start playing with I think I'm gonna start porting the actual code. So I need to check first my old animation state machine. I need to know where I will start. So my entry point here is the idle state, but the idle state, okay, I'm layering with blink. Okay, it's cool. Hey, 2D Dictator, thank you for the follow. So here I'm gonna ignore for now the blinking, and just play the idle animation. But there is another thing I need to do, because the idle animation is not gonna be a blend space. So my entry point is not gonna be an actual animation. My only blend space so far here is the walk run, which, by the way, what I'm doing here? I'm doing some weird stuff. I'm gonna copy all this. I think I'm blending. Oh yeah, I remember. This is where character is leaning to the left or right, so I'm transforming one bone. I think it's the spine bone, and blending those with my blink. Okay, blink. Okay, I'm gonna try to make it work. Okay. There must be a variable. Okay, here's triggering. Now I just need to adjust my speed. Nope. Which was direction, speed. That's weird. Both slow. Oh, that's for another stuff. Okay. Hurry. Whoop. Okay, it's not working. Okay, I'm gonna copy this state anyway. Hopefully I can copy this. Yes. Paste it in my animation state machine. Instead of this being idle, I'm gonna rename it to walk, run, remove the idle. Okay. It's gonna be some missing variables, I think, obviously. I'm gonna declare this variable, wait, run speed, and lean direction. Walk slow. I'm gonna skip blinking for now. I don't think I'm using this. Okay, obviously I don't have a blend space, so I'm gonna clone that from the animations. What's here? Where's my blend space? Run too fast. Run. Okay. Mhm. Why is sending me this error? I don't understand. Run speed, for example, its value of 0. Its upload variable. Lane direction. It's also 0. And move right. Or move wait. 0. Okay, that should compile. It did compile. So let's try it. And the idle state, okay. This is where the fun part begins. So, play. Okay, there is a link. Robot2, thank you so much for the follow. There is one other detail I need to check. It's related to my capsule shadows. I think the capsule shadows broke. Yes. Seems like capsule shadows broke. So I just gonna check what's going on. I think it's the physics asset. Character. Capsule shadow. Yeah, but those capsule shadows are for this skeletal mesh. I'm gonna try to duplicate. No, it's not gonna work. That's bad. That's bad. I will need to set up this all over again. I'll do this in a different stream. For now, just keep focusing on animations. I forgot to add my new state machine system, so I will do that now. And after I test it works, I'm gonna end the stream. So where is it? It's here. Okay, I'm just cleaning up this file. I had some previous functions here, but I'm cleaning up. And just want to add a new thing, which is the, I don't remember, the add state. Might be the set state. Set state. There it is. Yes. Okay, already did that. State, add state, doesn't require find at state machine. Wait, state machine. It's not being used. Activate state machine. Okay. I think I already got this. So I'm gonna remove some input. Set branch int state machine. Okay, now it's ready to go. Test structure. Construct. Okay, yes, this is needed. Macro fsum. Okay. I'm gonna copy it to my project folder. Here it is.